Good afternoon, friends. Today we're gonna unbox this fake China product, this stupid China works. It's a very stupid works. See, you can see this is a very bullish. I'm gonna buy this of rupees 130, but see, here the rate is rupees 40. See, you can see, and this is the you can see here is written made in China. It's a China product. See, it's a razor. These are some pellets. Check inside. This is one gun and one laser. Pull the sheet. The sheet inserted it. Pulled, and now will be insert here. It's inserted. It work like this. This is a laser, and just work like that. You can see. You can aim at this, but it is very fake products. See here, very bad quality plastic. See here, you can see bad quality plastic. It's only a toy product, but here he have written it can be hazard. Do not point infrared light at the eyes of the peoples or the animals. Yeah, you can see it's come in 4 variants: A, B, C, and D. There's given instructions. This is the laser and the bullet, and 6 mm bullets. They are told insert 6 mm bullets. You can see this. It works like this.